Manage your business website. First you need to log in your admin panel. For that you need to enter your email ID and password. After adding mail ID and password, you need to click on login button, and once you click on login button, your admin panel will be open. From here you can manage your business website, and to manage it you need to click on business website on the left side. Once you click on business website, you are going to redirect to another panel where you can manage your business website. Over here your domain name will be there. Once you click here, you can check your business website. So from this admin panel you can manage the website. You just need to select particular page, and that page data will be available on your screen, and by managing it you can update whatever change you want to make in your particular website section. So here first we start from the basic understanding that how you can use this admin panel to manage your business website. First is drop down over here. Over here all the pages which is created in your website, like in your website there is multiple page: home, about us, service, gallery. So all the page list will be displayed over here, and you can select particular page in which you want to make a change. If you want to make change in home page, you just need to select home, and all the data regarding home page will be displayed on your screen. So whenever you want to update any kind of change in your website, you just need to select the particular page and click on the data, and you can manage it your changes from admin panel. Then after here you have the edit name. So whenever you want to update your page name, means if you want to change the page name, home, about us, service, so for that you need to click on edit page name. Make sure that whatever page you want to edit, you need to select that page first, and after that click on edit button. Once you click on edit button, the page will be over here. You can update whatever change you want to make, update the title, and once you click on submit button, your changes will be saved. So as per your requirement, if you want to change your page name or page title, you just need to select the particular page. After selecting page, you need to click on edit page name and update name as per your requirement. Then after here second option is create web page. If you want to add another page in your website, like that right now there is 6 pages over here. So if you want to add another page, for that you need to click on create web page. Once you click on create web page, you just need to select web page. After that give title whatever page you want to add in your website. So after adding title, slug URL will be automatically taken. Slug URL means whenever you select particular page, at that time your domain name will be prefixed by the particular sub URL, like your domain name /home or /about us. So slug URL will be there after the domain name. So as per your title adding, slug URL will be updated automatically, and if you want to edit, you can edit from here also. Then after there is add more option also. If you add multiple page, you just need to click on add more button, and you have the option of adding multiple web pages in your website. So as per your requirement, you just need to select the web page, enter the title, and click on the submit button. After clicking the submit button, your website has another page in which you can add data whatever you want to show to the customer. Then after there is add section, means whatever section you want to create in that particular page. Like in your home page, this is the section like about us section or service section. So whatever section you want to create in particular page, make sure that the page which is selected in which you enter particular section. So whatever section you want to add in particular page, you need to select the page from here. After that click on add section, and once you click on add section, you have the selection list in which whatever section you want to update in your website, you just need to select. Like there are multiple 30 up to 30 sections over here which you can create in your particular page. Select whatever section you want to create in particular page. After give title to that particular page and click on submit button. If you want to add multiple section at the same time, you just need to click on add more button, and you can select multiple section in the same page at the same time. So for creating new section in your particular page, selected page, you just need to click on add section button, and from there you can update whatever section you want to create in your website. After that there is a menu order. Whenever you want to update menu like this is the sequence of your website: home, about us, service. So whenever you want to change this sequence, you just need to come to the menu order, and once you click on the menu order, over here you have the all the pages which are created in your website, like home, about us and all. So if you want to update the sequence for your website, for that you just need to click this button. If you want to make sure update this service section before the about us, so click on above button, and once you click on this above button, your section will be upper on the particular sequence. So whatever sequence you want to manage, you just use this down button or up button, and your section will be changed as per your requirement. So website pages can be managed from here as per your requirement. And if you want to create sub page, like when customer click on that particular page, they have the option of multiple pages. So for that you need to create first page in which you want to create sub page, and then after use this arrow button. Like if you want to show gallery in service section, just click on this arrow, and the gallery section will be now the sub page of service page. So as per your requirement you create sub pages also. And if you want to remove the page from the parent, so for that click down the down arrow and your sub page will be removed. So as per requirement you can create sub page also, and you also create parent category from here. So as per your needs, you just use this down button or up button for manage the sequence, and arrow button to create subcategory. So as per your requirement you need to use menu order to manage your website pages sequence. Then after there is a section order. So whenever you want to manage section of particular page, like if you want to manage your home page section of sequence, like if you want to update this home page about us at the after the service section, or this process before the service section, so it will be managed from here section order. When you click on section order, all the section which is created in particular page will be displayed over here. You just need to drag and drop whatever sequence you want to update in your website. So just by clicking on drag and drop button you can manage your sequence. So as per your requirement you can manage section sequence also and update the home page section sequence. Use section order to manage particular page sequence, and use menu order to manage website main pages sequence. Then after there is a common style. If you want to update your website colors from here, like if subtitle or main title or more button, arrow button, dots, so all the web in website wherever this subtitle, main title, dots and arrow button will display, you can manage color from here. By updating color from here, entire website color will be updated in single click. So you can use this common style to update all the color of the website from single page. So over here you just need to select particular color whatever you want to apply to your subtitle. Here is the subtitle, it's a subtitle. So when you want to update your subtitle color, you need use this color box. Then after main title, over here it's the main title. After that more button, so whatever section, if there is a multiple option, there is a more button there. This is the dot arrow, and this is the color which you update from here. So use common style by updating common style color, entire website wherever the changes will be applied, it will be done as per your selection. Then after there is a menu theme. So whenever you want to manage your website header, it's a header, and whenever you manage your header, you need to click on menu theme. Once you click on menu theme, over here you have the multiple options to manage your website header. Over here you have 3 theme option. Whatever theme you want to apply, you just need to select that particular theme, and theme will be applied for your website. Then after website logo, which is display over here. After that it's a favicon image, which is a display on the new bar. Means whenever customer open your website on dashboard, at that time on top bar your logo will be displayed with the SEO title. Then after website loader, when the customer open your website and it's open, at that time that loader will be display over there. So as per your requirement, you update the website logo, favicon image and loader from here. Also there is a multiple settings option is there for managing your color code or the hover effect or whatever changes you want to apply in your header. You just need to come to the menu theme, and from here you can manage your changes as per your need. If you want to change the font of the particular website, here is the font list by which you can select whatever font you want to apply to the website. So as per your requirement, you can apply whatever change in your website, and by click on save and view button, your changes will be saved. So you just need to update the theme or the requirement and just click on the save and view button, or also can click on submit button to update your changes. So here you can manage your business website as per your requirement by using these features. Now we are going to learn that how to update your existing website section. To manage section, first you need to select particular page in which you want to make changes. So whatever page in which you want to update the change, you just need to select that particular page. After that, select the particular section in which you want to update. For example, if you want to update in this about us section, so for that first you need to search that particular about us section, or you can manually select from the panel. Over here you need to click on add and view company profile. After that you have the option to edit the particular section. Just click on the edit button, and whatever change you want to apply in your particular section, update over here. If you want to change your description, you just need to enter your description over here. If you want to change redirect link, means when a customer click on this button, at that time they are going to redirect at the location or the link which you add over here. So if you want the button location link, you need to update the link over here. Then after, over here short description is there and title. Also there is a image which you update over here. So whatever change you want to make in your about details, you just need to come to the section, update the change and click on the submit button, and by clicking on submit button your change will be updated. So as per your requirement you can manage it. If you want to manage that particular section's color code or the font size, at that time you need to click on this setting button, and by clicking on setting button, all the setting option is there. You can change the font title, font color or the length or width, or as per your requirement you can also add the custom CSS in your website. So as per your requirement you can use the particular web page section setting, and by updating the section you need to click on save and view button to apply the changes whatever you made in a particular section. So whenever you want to update the font size, font color or the font length or anything you want to update in your particular section, click on setting button, and once you click on setting button you have the option of managing your particular section. Also if you want to hide particular section, you just need to click this button off, and once you click this button off your section will be disabled from your website. So as per your requirement you can use this status button to visible your particular section in your website. Then after, if you want to delete permanently, you have the delete section option here. Once you click on delete option, you have the confirmation pop-up, and by confirming the delete function, your particular section will be deleted from the website on a permanent basis. So as per your requirement, whatever changes you want in your particular about us section, you can make from here. After that, if you want to update the slider image, for example if you want to add new slider in your website or update the existing slider, at that time you need to search slider. After that click on add and view slider option. Then after, you have all the slider list which you update in your website. To manage existing slider you need to click on edit button, and by clicking on edit button you have the option of update the existing slider as per your requirement. After making changes in your existing slider, click on submit button, and by clicking on submit button your sliders changes will be updated. If you want to add new slider, at that time first you need to enter title which is show on the top of the slider. Then after button caption means whenever customer click that button at on those that button, whatever title you want to update, you can enter over here. After that, button link is there, means by clicking on that particular button, customer will be redirect on whatever link you enter over here. Then after description, which is display after the title. So as per your requirement, whatever description you want to update in your website, you need to enter over here. Then after, there is a two kind of image you need to update in a particular slider. First is desktop view and second is mobile view. Both the sizes is different, so you need to create two different slider images. One is for 1900 pixel by 740 pixel and second image is 400 pixel by 600 pixel. So as per your requirement, you need to create two kind of slider to show proper responsive view on mobile and dashboard. After adding all the details, you need to click the submit button, and if you don't want to show title on your website, you just need to click this button off. Once you click this button off, your title will be disabled from that particular slider, and if you want to show the title, you need to click this button on. So here you can update whatever changes you want to made in your slider section. There is also status option, so if you want to disable particular slider from the website, you just need to click this button off, and if you want to show the particular slider in website, you just need to click this button on. After that, edit to manage particular slider in your website, and then after delete option is there. If you want to permanently delete particular slider from the website, you just need to click on delete button, and once you click on delete button, your slider will be permanently deleted from the website. So as per your requirement, you can manage slider section in your website. Then after, there is a service section. So whatever services section you want to update in your website, first you need to come to the particular section. Like over here, your service section is there. To manage your existing service section, you need to click on add and view section, and by that you need to enter whatever details you want to update in your website. If you want to edit particular section, you just need to click on edit button, and over here you can manage your service item. So as per your requirement, you can manage your services over here. So first you need to enter title, and slug URL will be automatically taken as per the slider. After that, headline is there. If you want to add headline, you can enter over here. Then after, button text. So whatever button text you add in your particular item will be displayed over here. This is the short description and it's the title. After that, you need to enter short description and description. By clicking on read more, customer can see the entire description, and over here you need to enter thumbnail and detail image. Thumb image will be displayed over here and detail image will be displayed over here once customer click on read more button or whatever title you give to the particular section. So over here there is a second image which we updated in detail image will be displayed over here. So as per your requirement, you can add two different image in single service item. After that, click on submit button to save changes, and if you want to add new button, means to add new service, you need to click on add new button, and over here you have the new page in which you can create new service. As we learned earlier, you need to enter first title, and as per title your slug URL automatically taken, and if you want to update the slug URL, you can edit from here. Then after, you need to enter headline, then button text, short description, long description and images, and once you enter all the details, you need to click on submit button, and by clicking on submit button your changes will be updated. So you can enter new service item in your existing section and can manage existing item by edit button. If you want to disable particular section item, you just need to click this status button off, and your particular section details will be hidden from your website. So as per your requirement, you can manage your service item by clicking this status button off to not visible your section in your particular web page, and if you want to show particular item, you just need to click this button on. If you want to delete particular item permanently from your particular section, you just need to click on delete button, and by deleting, once you confirm the pop-up, your particular item will be deleted from the website. So as per your requirement, you can manage your section. And if you want to manage your sections font and color and the other style, you need to click on setting button, and by clicking on setting button, you can manage all the details from here. You have multiple 16 theme in particular section, which you can simultaneously use as per your requirement. Then after, if you want to add background color, over here background color option is there. Even if you want to update background image, you just need to click this button on, and by clicking the button on, you need to upload the background image, and by click on save and view button, your particular section has background image which you updated over here. Then after, font size is there, font color. So whatever settings you want to update in particular section, you just need to click on that particular section setting, and by clicking on setting button, you have the all the details which you can manage from here. CSS style is there, so if you want to manage custom CSS for that particular section, you can manage from your side. And by clicking on save and view button, your changes will be saved. Here restore option is there, so if you want to restore the existing saves, existing updates which you made earlier, so by clicking on restore button, your below means past data will be restored before the first update. Then after, reset button is there. Once you click on reset button, default color code and all the details will be reset to the particular section. And if you want to manage particular whatever changes you want to run, you just need to click on save and view button. So as per your requirement, you can manage particular section in your website. So whatever changes you want to made in your particular website, you just need to come to the panel and update the changes. Like if you want to make changes in your process, you just need to search first the process over here. Here work process is there. By click on add and view button, your all the stages will be displayed over here. Click on the edit button to manage your existing change, and click on add new button to add new step. So as per your requirement, you can manage whatever process you want to update in your particular website. First you need to enter title, second you need to enter step number like first, second, third, whatever step is there, and then after tagline. And by clicking on submit button, your step will be saved. Here also status button is there to hide the particular title and visible. If you click this button off, your title will be disabled from the panel, and if you want to show title, you just need to click this button off. So as per your requirement, you can manage your step from here. And setting option is also there. In the step, there is two kind of theme, so as per your requirement, you can select the theme and also manage your font style, color and other details which you can update in your particular section. By click on save and view button, your changes will be saved. To restore previous update, you need to click on restore, and if you want to reset from the first, you need to click on reset, and your entire section will be reset on this particular theme. So as per your requirement, you can manage your changes. Then after, there is a gallery section. If you want to update any kind of changes in your gallery, first you need to come to the gallery. Then after, click on this icon to check the particular sections. By clicking on this section, you have the particular section whatever created in your particular gallery, and by clicking on add and view button, you can manage images as per your requirement. If you want to manage existing image, click on edit button, and by clicking on edit button, you can update whatever changes you want to made in particular gallery. Then after, if you want to add new image, click on add new image, enter the title and update the image. If you don't want to show title, you just need to click this button on off, and if you want to show the particular title on the gallery section, you need to click this button on, and after clicking on submit button, your image will be saved. So as per your requirement, you can update images in your particular section. If you want to create sub gallery in parent gallery, like once customer click on particular gallery, they have the multiple options. At that time, click on create button, and once you click on create button, you have the option of adding new gallery in this particular parent gallery, and Once you update the particular gallery name and click on submit button, you have the option of adding multiple images in single gallery. And to create parent gallery, you need to click on create option over here, update the title, and once you click on submit button, you have the parent gallery option. By managing that, you can update you as per your requirement. So if you want to create multiple gallery by particular category, you just need to click on create and enter the name whatever you want to apply to the gallery section. If you want to update this title and subtitle, for that click on edit button. Once you click on edit button, over here you have the title and subtitle option, and whatever title and subtitle you want to update, you just need to click this subtitle and make changes as per your requirement. After that, there is a theme selection. Over here you get the 4 theme, in which whatever theme you want to select, just select the particular theme and click on submit button. After that, there is item limit. So how much images you want to display on the home page or the first, at that time whatever item limit you set will be display over there, and after that customer need to click on view more button to check more images. So you can create item limit as per your requirement, and after clicking on submit button, your changes will be updated in your website. Then after, there is a FAQ section. So for that you need to come to the FAQ section, click on add and view FAQs, and after that you can edit existing FAQ as per your requirement. Just click on edit button and update the section whatever changes you want to make. If you want to change in title, you over here you can change the title. Then after the description, sub description is optional, means subtitle is optional. So if you don't want to add, you can skip this also. And if you want to add new, at that time click on add new button, and over here you need to enter title, subtitle is optional, and then after you need to enter description. If you don't want to show title, you just need to click this button on off, and once you click this button on, your title will be visible. So as per your requirement, you can use status button to hide and show title in your FAQ. Then after, click on submit button to make changes. And if you want to delete the particular section, you just need to click on delete button, and by click on delete button, once you confirm, your particular item will be deleted from the FAQ section. If you want to hide the particular FAQ item from the section, you just need to click this button off, and once you click the button off, your particular FAQ will be hidden from the website. So as per your requirement, you can use status button to manage your FAQ item. And over here setting option is there. By clicking on setting, you can update whatever changes you want to make in your particular section. Like there is a multiple 3 theme, in which whatever theme you want to apply, you just need to click that particular theme, and theme will be available in your home page. After that, there is a font style and font color is there. So whatever font color you want to apply, or the font size, or the other custom CSS, whatever you want to update, you just need to use this setting button. Over here you need to upload the image which is display over here. So if you want to update the image, you need to click this button, means remove the image first, and after that upload new image and click on save and view button to change the image option. So as per your requirement, you can use this setting button to manage your FAQ section. Then after, there is our client, in which you can show your client logos. So for that, to manage that one, you need to come to the particular section, click on add and view, and over here all the titles or the logo will be displayed over here. So whatever logo you want to update, you just need to click on this edit button, update the logo, and click on the submit button, and by clicking on submit button, your changes will be available. If you want to add new item, click on add new, update the title whatever you want to apply to the section. If you don't want to show title, make sure this button will be off, and if you want to show title, you need to click this button on. After that, upload the logo and click on submit button. So at the right now you can create multiple images over here as your client section. Then after, if you don't want to show particular image means logo in your client section, you need to use this status button. By clicking off the button, your particular logo will be hidden from the website, and if you want to display, you need to click this button on. Status button is there to manage your visibility of particular item in your website. After that, if you want to delete the particular item permanently from your section, you just need to click on delete button, and by confirming OK, your particular item will be deleted permanently from your section. So as per your requirement, you can manage your client section. If you want to update the title, you need to click on edit button, and by clicking on edit button, whatever changes you want to apply, you can update over here. If you want to add subtitle, enter the subtitle, and if you want to update theme, select the particular theme whatever you want, and then after click on submit button. Over here also item limit is there, so how many logos you want to display first on a website, you need to enter item limit, and once you enter the item limit, that much number of logos will be displayed over there, and after that, to see other, customer need to click on view more or view more button to check more logos, means your customers. So as per your requirement, you enter title limit also, and by clicking on submit button, your changes will be applied. So as per your need, you can update your client section also. Then after, the testimonial section. To manage testimonial section, you need to come to the testimonial section. Over here you have the testimonial, click on add and view option, and over here you can enter whatever testimonial you got from the customer. First, if you want to edit existing, you need to click on edit button, and once you click on edit button, you whatever changes you want to apply in your website, you just need to update over here. Like you want to update customer name, or the review given from their side, or their designation, or review star. So whatever changes you want to apply, you just need to update over here. If you want to replace the image, first remove the existing image, then after add new image, and by clicking on submit button, your changes will be applied. If you want to add new testimonial, for that click on add new button, enter the title means customer name, then after subtitle. After that, you need to enter rating over here, means up to 5 star, whatever rating you get the customer, you enter over here. Then after, add description and designation. After adding all the details, you need to click on this choose button to upload your customer image. And then after, if you don't want to show customer title name, over here the status button, and by clicking off, your title will be disabled from website, and if you want to show, you need to click this button on, and by clicking the submit button, your changes will be applied. So as per your requirement, you can edit and add new testimonial from customer, whatever you want to add in your section. After that, delete option is there. If you want to delete particular testimonial of customer on a permanent base, click on delete button, and once you confirm the OK, your website don't have the particular item which you deleted from the panel. Then after, status button is there. So if you don't show particular testimonial in your website, just click this button off, and by clicking the status button off, your particular item will be disabled from your website, and to show, you just need to click this button on. So as per your requirement, you can manage your particular testimonial section. And if you want to edit the title and subtitle, just come to the particular section, click on the setting button, and by clicking the setting button, you have the multiple theme option also. Whatever theme you want to apply, select the particular theme, and font style, color, and other settings option is there. So use this setting button to manage your testimonial section. To update the title and subtitle, click on edit button, and by clicking on edit button, over here you can update the title and subtitle. And if you don't want to show title, make sure this button will be disabled, and if you want to show your title, click this button on. Over here also item limit is there, so how much number of testimonial you want to display first, you need to enter that particular amount. And if you adding the title limit, enter the button text, so whenever customer click on that particular button, rest of item will be displayed on the website. Theme option is also there, so you can select theme from here also, and by clicking on submit button, your changes will be applied. As per your requirement, you can manage your testimonial section also. If you want to manage your footer section, for that you need to come to the footer, whatever theme you updated in your website. So you are using footer 1, so click on edit button. Once you click on edit button, all the details is there. So if you want to make change in your address, make the changes over here. If you want to update the location link, update the link from here. For updating mobile number, click over here. Then after, if you want to update your mail ID, update from here. Content which is display over here, so whatever content you want to update, just enter the content, and after that enter the logo whatever you want to update in your footer. Then after, social media, that WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. So you just need to select that particular section, enter the particular link, and if you want to remove, just click on delete button and your section will be removed. If you want to add more section social media, so for that click on add more button, select the particular type whatever you want to add, then after enter the link, and click on submit button. So for here you can update your footer changes, and you can check that Twitter option is also there. So as per your requirement, you can manage changes by click on edit button. If you want to change in particular footer like background or color or other things, you need to click on setting button, and once you click on setting button, you have multiple two theme in your particular footer option, so you can use whatever theme you want to apply. Then after, the background color and rest of setting is there, which you manage from here. Custom CSS option is also there, so as per your requirement you can use custom CSS, and by applying changes, click on save and view button to update your changes. Once you click on save and button, your changes will be updated. And if you don't want to show footer, make sure this button will be off, and if you want to show footer on the website, click this button on. Then after, there is a top header which is display on the top of the website over here. So as if you want to update in your header, click on the edit button, and whatever changes you want to make, you can update from here. Like if you want to update mobile number or email ID or social media, you can update from here. To add more social media, click on add more button, and once you click on add more button, select the particular title, whatever section you want to add, enter the link and click on submit button. So as per your requirement, you can use top header to manage your header details over here. And if you want to use their setting option, by clicking on setting option, you can make the changes in your color or text color or the language option. Also there is CSS, custom CSS option, so you can use as per your requirement. By click on save and view button, your changes will be available. Then after, at the last footer, there is the option of copyright and develop by. So whenever you want to update those changes, you need to click on this edit button, and by clicking on edit button, whatever changes you want to apply, update the changes, develop by name and developer link. Then after, click on submit button, and your changes will be updated, and on website now you can check that whatever changes you made will be available over here. Over here, setting option is also there. By clicking on setting button, you can update font color and background color as per your requirement, and by clicking save and view, your changes will be updated. So as per your requirement, you can manage entire your page and update as per your need. Then after, every page has the clone and align option. Make sure that whenever you create the particular page, SEO section must be created in your website. For that, you need to enter SEO, and to edit the SEO section, you need to click on edit button. Over here, all the details for the particular page will be available. You need to click on company name, enter the company name, then after, the description, keywords and URL. Those things are the compulsory, means mandatory. So title, URL, keywords, description and company name must be entered in your SEO details, so that whenever you share the page link, the details which is added in SEO will be displayed over there. So as per your requirement, also there is a multiple things is there like conical, Bing, Google site verification. So for basic SEO you can use this section and make sure that every page has SEO details in particular section. So create SEO in your website, and then after every page has align and clone section. So whenever you want to make same section in another page, like I am using this service section over home page and also want to display in service section. So for that I need to click on clone. After clicking on clone, select the particular page in which you want to show that particular same section. So by selecting particular page, now click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, your website particular section will be cloned and in that particular page. So now you did not require to create same section again and again. So to create same section in your website, you need to click on clone, and once you click on clone button, now this another page which you clone is have the same section, and you can make the changes in that particular section whatever you want to require. Then after there is align section. Whenever you use the align section means then whenever you update the anything at any page, like if you align the footer at the all pages, so now you did not require to make changes for the footer at every page. You just need to update the footer at any page and all the changes will be done in every page. So for managing single change in every page, you need to click on align section, and by clicking on align section you need to select whatever page you want to align that particular section and click on submit button. Now that particular page has footer section also, and whenever you make change it at any section, that means what particular footer section, at that time the page in which you align this particular section also have the changes. So now if you using the same section at the every page and that particular section has the update in single section, so now you did not require to update at every page. You just need to click on particular page, update the change, and every page has the same changes. So to manage the single section in every page with the single update, you need to select align section. And if you want to set changes, means if you just want to clone the section, means data is different but section is the same, so at that time use this clone section. So it will reduce your efforts. By clicking on clone, you have this entire new section in your website with the name another page, and if you use align section, then the second page has the same details which you updated in particular page. So as per your requirement, you can align, clone, and update the particular website as per your need. So whatever changes you want to your website, you just need to select that particular page and update whatever details. Now whenever you want to update this page title, for that you come to the page title option, click on edit button. Over here you need to enter title and subtitle, which is display over here. This is title and it's a subtitle. Then after click on save button to update your changes, and if you want to update the background image or the font, for that you need to click this setting button, and over here you can update the background image or other details as per your requirement. So every page has the title page, and for that whatever changes you want to apply, just click on that particular page, select the title page and update the changes. If you want to delete option is there, and if you want to permanently delete that section, click on this button and your section will be entirely deleted from your website. So as per your requirement, you can manage your multi-page website from using this admin panel.